gonna do a little bit marketing noise cleaning here now, just for a minute, just so I can hear your voice. Just a minute. You see that funnel? I'm removing that noise. Okay? Your message deserves space, and your audience deserves a better experience than being drawn into that funnel. So, instead, let's move over to the traffic front, where marketing makes more sense again, and clarity and connection is found. So, let's clean the noise. Let's find your voice and start here. I have made a small guide for you. You can grab it in the comments below. Okay. Oh, I can't hear you. I have to clean some more. I have a lot of cleaning to do here. Okay. See you in the traffic front.